Hey guys, now we're gonna go look at the pigs, the baby pigs. Now let's go down. I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna see you guys out there. Okay guys, they're in there. So let me just go down. Aww, look at that one. So cute. Now let's go see the mama pig. Oh, those the ones? No. Oh, Papa can play. Look at them. They're so cute. There is 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piglets. So nice. Oh, in here. Look. So nice. Hey vlog. So this is the mama pig. Those are the baby pigs. And there is 6. Excuse me, Tan. Can I touch them? Yes. Okay. Let's try. Oh, they're so fluffy. Look at that, guys. Fluffy? Yeah. From here. Yeah. Do the time.
So fluffy, guys. There's so much.
This one is so cute.
There's 6. Yeah, there's 6.
Aww. Come on. I'm touching this one. That's the mama pig. Okay, let me just
Hello, mama pig. Mama pig.
do that.
Mama pig.
That's so nice. One is like that.
What?
One is kind of different. This is a Bokashi pig pen. There's no smell in here. Just check my other videos. You will see how to make a no smell pig pen.
Guys, I'm gonna go check the other pen.
They're so cute. Ethan and me has 2 cameras, so there is Ethan. Ethan, show me your camera.
What?
And that is me.
You can hold
Say hi, vlog.
Hold this. Hold that. Just hold it. You can hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Just hold it.
Okay, guys. Okay. Now look, that's the ceiling. Guys, you know we handmade this.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, with the cement and everything. Also in there for the pigs. Papa. Aww. This one is so cute. It has big ears. All of them has big ears. Aww. Look at that. So cute.
Oh, guys, this camera stick is so long.
Say hi, guys. Say hi.
See,
Hey, that one's behind.
you can see me, guys.
Oh, say hi.
Ish khleh ish tadi. Coba.
No.
Sure, big.
See, they're all fine. Good that the mama pig didn't do anything to them. Now let me show you the other ones.
Hello.
See, those are the teenagers. kids and teenagers. That is the mama pig and the baby pigs. Let me show you a close look out like that. Yeah, look. If you could see in there. Guys, he's vlogging me. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Hi.
Oh, look at that one.
Which one? Look at that one.
You wanna do running POV?
Huh?
Come, let's do this.
No. Look. We have this for the mama pig to eat. We give food from there. Now, guys, let's go up. And guys, at night time, Ethan and my dad will go to soccer. You will think that my brother's gonna do it, but it's my dad gonna do it.
Our dad is gonna do it. Okay, again. Come, let's race. 3, 2, 1, go.
My vlog's faster than yours.
No, I'm faster.
No, let's go.
I'm faster.
My vlog touches it first.
No, I won.
I'm gonna run again, guys. Let's go. Okay, guys, we have a lot of trees, and what are those? I saw some big butterflies right. You could see that, right? Guess you could see that, right? Oh, it flew away. Yeah. Let's go! Come on! Ethan's holding me down! Ethan's holding me down!